Hi there. Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Step into our remarkable selection of model homes available for sale in the Southbrook community, proudly presented by American West. Situated at 6151 Sky River Court, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89118. Our first model, the 2018 model, is located at Lot 04001 and boasts a charming design, offering a total square footage of approximately 2,018 square feet. Priced at $519,000, this home is perfect for growing families seeking privacy. The main highlight of this floor plan is the separate owner's suite on the first floor, offering a tranquil retreat. The second floor features a spacious gathering room filled with natural light, complemented by a balcony for outdoor enjoyment. With 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, this 2-story home provides ample space for the whole family. Moving on to our second model home, located at Lot 03801 and priced at $599,000. The 3026 model is designed for socially active families who love to entertain, offering a total square footage of approximately 3,026 square feet. With multiple entertaining spaces, including a gourmet kitchen, gathering room, and a first-floor game room, this home offers endless possibilities for hosting gatherings. The second-floor balcony adds an extra touch of outdoor entertaining space. With 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-story layout, along with a 2-car garage, this home provides versatility and comfort. Now, let's explore the model home situated at Lot 4101, available at $619,000. The 2958 model is a perfect choice for families looking for both space and togetherness. This home offers a total square footage of approximately 2,958 square feet. The first-floor gathering room seamlessly flows into a gourmet kitchen with a spacious island, ideal for family meals and quality time. The owner's suite offers a large walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom, creating a personal retreat. With 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a 3-story layout, this home caters to your family's needs. Last but not least, we have our model home located at Lot 03901, priced at $589,000. The 2709 model is designed with generous living spaces and convenience in mind. This home offers a total square footage of approximately 2,709 square feet. The first floor features a large gathering room connected to a gourmet kitchen with an impressive island for casual seating. The second floor offers a spacious owner's suite, 2 additional bedrooms, and a convenient laundry area. The third floor bonus space can be transformed into a guest suite or a game room, providing additional versatility. With 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a 3-story layout, this home offers comfort and functionality. Remember, all the furniture is included with the home, and you have the opportunity to make an offer. However, it's important to note that furniture must be paid for separately and cannot be wrapped into the loan. If any of these model homes have caught your eye, don't wait too long. All contracts written on these models will be approved in June. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to own your dream home. Thank you for joining us on today. We hope you found the perfect fit for your family's needs. For more information or to schedule a visit, please contact Angelo at 725-287-5242. Happy house hunting, and we look forward to helping you find your dream home.